16 impressive ginger tea benefits for over 50 years, people. Ginger tea has been consumed for centuries, cherished for its unique flavor and numerous health benefits. But did you know that ginger tea can be highly beneficial for those over 50? With age comes new health challenges, and ginger tea might just be the comforting remedy you need to address them. Let's dive into more than 10 impressive benefits of ginger tea, specifically for people over the age of 50, backed by factual information, expert insights, and real-life experiences. Before we proceed, please note that everything mentioned in this video is unbiased, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. Number 1. Promotes digestive health. As we age, digestive issues like bloating, constipation, and indigestion can become more frequent. Ginger tea is well known for aiding digestion by stimulating digestive enzymes and enhancing gut motility. A study found that ginger increases the rate at which food moves through the stomach, which can significantly ease symptoms of dyspepsia, a condition more common in older adults. One senior user, Maria, shared her experience. Since adding ginger tea to my daily routine, my bloating and discomfort after meals have improved noticeably. Number 2. Reduces inflammation and joint pain. Arthritis and joint pain are common problems that many people over 50 face. Ginger has powerful anti-inflammatory properties due to compounds called gingerols and shogols, which can help reduce inflammation and joint pain. Studies have shown that ginger tea consumption can lead to significant reductions in symptoms of osteoarthritis. John, 63, stated, "I've been drinking ginger tea daily for the past few months, and I've noticed a real difference in my knee pain. It's much more manageable now." Number 3. Boosts immune system. With age, the immune system tends to weaken, making the body more susceptible to infections. Ginger tea's antiviral and antibacterial properties can help strengthen the immune response. It contains antioxidants that fight free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, keeping the immune system resilient. During the recent flu season, Jane, 55, found herself bouncing back quicker than her peers, attributing her rapid recovery to her daily ginger tea habit. Number 4. Improves heart health. Disease risk increases with age, but ginger tea may offer support for heart health. Studies suggest that ginger can help reduce LDL, bad cholesterol, and improve blood circulation. Its ability to lower blood pressure also contributes to a healthier cardiovascular system, potentially reducing the risk of heart disease. Doctors were surprised by Roger, 58, who reported better blood pressure management after introducing ginger tea into his daily diet. Number 5. Helps manage blood sugar levels. For those over 50, managing blood sugar levels becomes increasingly important, particularly with the rising prevalence of type 2 diabetes. Ginger has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and help stabilize blood sugar levels. Drinking ginger tea regularly may help regulate glucose, preventing spikes and crashes. Sarah, 61, shares, "I've noticed that my blood sugar readings are more stable since I started drinking ginger tea in the morning." Number 6. Enhances cognitive function. Maintaining mental sharpness is crucial as we age, and ginger tea may help with that too. Ginger has been linked to improved cognitive function and memory due to its antioxidant properties that help protect the brain from age-related damage. A 2012 study demonstrated that ginger extract improved attention and cognitive processing in middle-aged women. Seniors who drank ginger tea reported feeling more focused and experiencing less brain fog. Number 7. Supports weight management. Weight gain can become a concern as metabolism slows down with age. Ginger tea has thermogenic properties, meaning it helps boost metabolism and increase calorie burning. Additionally, it aids in appetite control, preventing overeating. Margaret, 59, said, "Drinking ginger tea before meals helps curb my appetite, and I've noticed it's easier to maintain my weight." Number 8. Reduces nausea and motion sickness. Many people over 50 experience an increase in sensitivity to motion, often leading to nausea. Ginger has been widely recognized for its anti-nausea effects, making ginger tea an effective remedy for motion sickness and even post-operative nausea. Peter, 65, who frequently travels by car, shared, "Ginger tea is my go-to whenever I feel queasy on road trips. It works wonders." Number 9. promotes respiratory health. Respiratory issues such as coughs, asthma, and other breathing difficulties can become more prominent with age. Ginger tea has natural expectorant properties that help clear the respiratory tract, easing symptoms of congestion and asthma. Seniors have often found relief in drinking warm ginger tea during cold seasons to soothe their throat and reduce cough. Number 10. Aids in stress relief and promotes better sleep. Stress and sleep disturbances are common issues faced by people over 50. Ginger tea contains compounds that have calming effects, helping reduce stress and anxiety levels. Its slightly sedative properties also promote better sleep quality, especially when taken before bedtime. Elizabeth, 56, swears by her nightly ginger tea ritual, which has improved her sleep patterns significantly. Number 11. Supports liver health. Aging can have a significant impact on liver function, and ginger tea can provide supportive benefits. Ginger has been shown to help detoxify the liver and improve its overall function by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. Studies have suggested that ginger can help protect the liver from age-related damage and reduce the risk of fatty liver disease. This makes ginger tea a beneficial addition for those wanting to maintain optimal liver health. Number 12. Improves circulation. With age, circulation issues can become more common, leading to cold hands and feet, or even contributing to other health problems. Ginger tea acts as a natural vasodilator, helping to relax blood vessels and improve blood flow throughout the body. Improved circulation can also help reduce the risk of conditions like deep vein thrombosis, DVT. Many seniors report feeling warmer and more energized after incorporating ginger tea into their daily routine. Number 13. May help lower cholesterol levels. Ginger tea may help lower cholesterol levels, which is particularly important for people over 50. High cholesterol is a major risk factor for heart disease. Studies have shown that ginger can help lower total cholesterol and triglycerides, contributing to improved heart health. By including ginger tea as part of a balanced diet, people over 50 can work towards maintaining healthy cholesterol levels. Number 14. Alleviates menopausal symptoms. For women over 50, menopausal symptoms such as hot flashes, mood swings, and night sweats can be challenging. Ginger tea may help alleviate some of these symptoms due to its hormone-balancing effects and anti-inflammatory properties. Regular consumption of ginger tea can help reduce the intensity and frequency of hot flashes and promote an overall sense of well-being. Number 15. Supports prostate health in men. Men over 50 often face prostate health concerns, including benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, which can lead to urinary difficulties. Ginger's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties may help support prostate health by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Some studies suggest that ginger extract may inhibit the growth of prostate cancer cells, making ginger tea a potential natural support for maintaining prostate health. Michael, 62, reported fewer nighttime trips to the bathroom after incorporating ginger tea into his daily routine, attributing it to improved prostate health. Number 16. Increases testosterone levels naturally. For men, maintaining optimal testosterone levels is crucial for overall health, particularly as they age. Ginger has been shown to naturally boost testosterone levels by enhancing luteinizing hormone production and reducing oxidative stress in the testes. Improved testosterone levels can lead to increased energy, better mood, and enhanced libido. George, 57, shared, "I started drinking ginger tea every day, and I feel more energetic and notice a positive difference in my overall vitality." Well, that covers all the essential health benefits of ginger tea. Now, let's explore the frequently asked questions of these miracle teas. Question 1. How to make the perfect ginger tea. To make the perfect ginger tea, simply boil 1 to 2 inches of fresh ginger root, sliced or grated, in 2 cups of water for about 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the tea and add honey or lemon to taste if desired. Enjoy it warm for maximum benefits. Question 2. Is it okay to drink ginger tea every day? Yes, it is generally safe to drink ginger tea every day. It offers numerous health benefits, particularly for those over 50, such as reducing inflammation, boosting the immune system, and aiding digestion. However, Moderation is key, and it's advisable to consult a healthcare professional if you have underlying conditions. Question 3. What's the best time to drink ginger tea? The best time to drink ginger tea is in the morning on an empty stomach to kickstart digestion, or in the evening to help with relaxation and better sleep. Drinking ginger tea before meals can also aid in appetite control and digestion. Question 4. Can ginger tea reduce belly fat? Yes, ginger tea may help reduce belly fat as it boosts metabolism and promotes fat burning. Its thermogenic properties also help control appetite, making it an effective addition to a weight loss plan. Question 5. Is ginger okay to drink at night? Yes, drinking ginger tea at night can help you relax and improve sleep quality. Its mild sedative properties may help reduce stress and anxiety, making it easier to fall asleep. Question 6. Is ginger tea good on an empty stomach? Yes, ginger tea is good on an empty stomach. Drinking it first thing in the morning can help stimulate digestion and detoxify the body. However, if you have a sensitive stomach, it might be best to have it with or after food. Question 7. Does ginger tea give you gas? Ginger tea is generally known to relieve gas and bloating, as it aids digestion. However, in some cases, excessive consumption might lead to digestive discomfort or gas for those with sensitive stomachs. Question 8. Does boiling ginger destroy nutrients? Boiling ginger for too long may reduce some of its nutrient content, particularly heat-sensitive vitamins. However, boiling ginger for 10 to 15 minutes, as recommended for ginger tea, still preserves most of its beneficial compounds like gingerols and shogols. Question 9. Which is better, raw or boiled ginger? Both raw and boiled ginger have health benefits. Raw ginger is rich in enzymes and has higher levels of heat-sensitive nutrients, while boiled ginger is effective for releasing its anti-inflammatory compounds. The choice depends on your preference and intended benefits. Question 10. Is it okay to drink boiled ginger every day? Yes, it is okay to drink boiled ginger every day, provided it is done in moderation. Boiled ginger retains most of the beneficial compounds that promote digestion, reduce inflammation, and support immunity. Question 11. What is the healthiest way to consume ginger? The healthiest way to consume ginger depends on your health goals. Fresh ginger in tea or added to smoothies is a great way to enjoy its benefits, while using it raw in dressings or cooked in dishes also offers healthful properties. Question 12. What is the best time to drink ginger water? The best time to drink ginger water is in the morning on an empty stomach. It can help jumpstart your metabolism, improve digestion, and hydrate the body. Question 13. Which is the most useful part of ginger? The rhizome, root of ginger, is the most useful part. It contains beneficial compounds like gingerols and shogols, which provide anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and digestive benefits. Question 14. Does ginger increase hemoglobin? Yes, ginger may help increase hemoglobin levels. It has been linked to improved iron absorption, which can help maintain healthy hemoglobin levels, particularly in individuals who are anemic. Well, that's the end of the video. Thanks for tuning in to Benefit Hub for your dose of health and wellness special tips. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Remember, your health is your greatest asset, so let's keep investing in it together. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and until next time, stay healthy and stay happy. See you in the next video.